So today, we're gonna be doing some errands. The errands are not robbing a bank. I've got some really nice gloves, some high-vis gloves. You can see my hands when I like signal and stuff. Excuse me. Do you know how to find Kohl's? Do you know how to find Kohl's, the store?
Oh, I know it's around here.
It's around here somewhere, right?
Yeah. I think it's down that way.
This way?
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
It definitely is. I think it's at the very end.
Thank you. It's a cool hat.
Thank you.
Nice guy. Get the helmet on. All right. Turn the bike on. Let's do it. Bike infrastructure has been a part of Portland street design for, well, at least since the 1990s. But it's still kind of impressive to me, in a terrible way, how many places surrounding Portland have resisted. Kohl's is up here somewhere. I think that guy was right. I think it's out this way. It's equally amazing to me like how parking lot design for strip malls is designed in such a way as to like force drivers to go past every store, you know, to get to the one they want. So we got two errands today. We got to go to Kohl's to return an Amazon thing. I had a waterproof case for my phone that didn't quite work out. Waterproof in name only. And I have to return a library book. Support your local libraries. On a cold day like today, I would normally be wearing a visor because it's not raining. But when it gets too cold, I have to wear the balaclava, the thing over my face. Thank you. To wear the thing over my face, you know? And when you do that, when you have any kind of mask over your face or like a balaclava or something, all the steam from your face goes up into the visor and makes it really, just makes it really foggy. Makes it really suck. The one thing you shouldn't do, ever, is be a whole rube about it and not wear weather gear. Oh man, okay, sure. He had the right of way. Just makes me so sketched out. Never know what these guys are gonna do. All right, I can't find Kohl's. I'm just gonna make a left here and try and find it up here. Maybe I'll ask somebody else. I could have swore there was a Kohl's up here, dude. The first time I tried to bike in this kind of weather was miserable. I didn't have the right gear. Oh, maybe it's over here. I didn't have the right kind of gear. I didn't have the indomitable spirit. I definitely didn't have gloves. So I had to like stop halfway through my ride. And then just like huddle my hands up to me. Oh my God, I thought I heard somebody. It's like an outdoor speaker. Like an outdoor speaker. Dude, I have no idea where Kohl's is. Excuse me. Do you know where Kohl's is?
What's that?
Kohl's? Do you know where Kohl's is? The store?
I think it might be over there on that side.
On that side? Okay. Thank you. That's okay. No worries. Thank you. Man, what a flex. I don't shop at Kohl's. Dude, I wanted to be like, me neither, man. Just didn't want to look pathetic. Oh, man, I bungled it. Bungled it. Nah, there's nothing wrong with Kohl's. See those guys? See those absolute heroes over there in the high-vis outfit? Damn, dude. That's a good look. I guess I'll just keep going. So I don't just have to get to Kohl's. I also have to return a library book. Support your local libraries.
Be all you can be.
And that's on the other side of a big strode. Thanks, Not Just Bikes. Um,
Hey.
high-vis outfit. Hell yeah. I have to go back through this shopping center, this Colesless shopping center. Yeah, this is a place like entirely populated by folksy drivers. But the upside of that is that everybody walking around is so nice. I've never met anybody here who was like mean, you know? Nobody here's been like, been like overly mean, or, like unnecessarily mean. I'm not from a folksy place, so it's a little bit of a change. Okay, to get to the library, we're gonna have to ride on the street a little bit. So let's do that. You guys ready? I'm gonna pump up the power here to 5. I'll go in more depth in another video, but everything about this bicycle is like a bicyclist's dream. Ugh, I'm so drippy, dude. Ugh, I'm not sad. I just want to return my library book. I know this microphone's not exactly in the best place emotionally right now. I'm not going along the main road there because it's hella dangerous. That's another tip. If you have the ability to find like a slightly off the beaten path bicycle route, you should take that one, especially if there's lower speed limits. I don't remember exactly what the statistics are, but I know that every like 5 miles an hour over like 20 miles an hour, if you get hit by a car, like the likelihood of you not sustaining a debilitating injury goes way, way down. Oof, this is another thing, dude. Look at these leaves. Do you see this? I get that it's fall and everything, but man, look at the difference, the stark contrast between like the car road street, the car lane. Look at the stark contrast between the car lane and the bicycle lane. It's nuts. Oh, I made a terrible mistake. Oh no, I've made a terrible mistake. I love cold weather. I love it. I love it so much. For those of you wondering why somebody named Fred Meyer built an entire building and called it Fred Meyer, like it's supposed to mean something, just know that Fred Meyer last year took a bunch of their food and tossed it in the garbage. And then when people tried to go get it out of the garbage, people who needed food, they called the cops on them. If my calculations are correct, we should be nearing a library very soon. It's not that I'm bad at directions. It's not that I'm bad at directions. I'm bad at remembering directions. A lot of times on an e-bike, you'll be going fast enough to basically keep up with city buses. So being behind a city bus, like right behind a city bus, can be kind of a bummer sometimes. Because if you're going fast enough, you'll basically keep pace with them. When they have to like stop and let people off, you'll like catch up, So sometimes if you're going fast enough, you'll end up waiting for city buses. Yeah, library. Damn, dude, maybe the library will know where Kohl's is. Okay, book drop. Excuse me, do you happen to know where Kohl's is?
Yeah, so you would go on Canyon.
Uh-huh.
So you go on the other side of 217.
Okay.
So it's Canyon, and it's like one of the first lights past 217. It'll be on your left,
Okay.
across from the BMW.
Okay, got it. Thank you so much. I think it might be over here. Oh, sweet, look at this. Damn, dude, look, they got tools and an air pump. What? I love libraries, man. This is a book drop, I think. I don't mind if we just walk up to it. They won't mind. That's it?
Be all you can be.
All done?
Read.
Oh, that was cool. It like sucked the book in. But you see, like the closer I get to the side to appease the cars, the closer I get to the parked cars, and there's no telling when like a door is gonna open. So I have to make like a really poor choice, you know? Do I deal with the danger from the cars who are parked, or do I deal with the danger from the cars who are driving? Look at these heroes in high vis.
High vis heroes.
That's awesome, dude. Absolute heroes. Dang, dude. Oh, this is Canyon, though.
So you can go on Canyon.
Oh, hang on a second. This is Canyon. Maybe there is a Kohl's. This is like the most dangerous road. Look at how dangerous this is. This is so dangerous, dude. Look at this. There's construction. That's 3 and 1 lanes on the other side. And then 4 or 5 lanes on like right to left. I'm just gonna go, dude. So dangerous. Is that a different Fred Meyer? Okay, you see how there's a bike lane right there, but I'm taking the lane? That's because if I'm in the bike lane, right there, and there's somebody trying to turn to the right here, if my light becomes one of those like flashing yellow lights or something, and I go at the same time as the car is gonna speed up ahead of me. I'm gonna be behind on the right side of that car. And the person who's turning to the right, like they're doing right now, isn't gonna be able to see me because I'm gonna be like behind that car from their point of view. So by the time the car gets ahead of me, it'll be too late. That's why you always take the lane when there's a situation where somebody might turn in front of you so that they can see you. It might piss off some car brains, but it'll keep you alive. Excuse me. Hey, you guys know where Kohl's is?
Kohl's?
Yeah, Kohl's.
No, not down here. Oh, Kohl's? It's down there.
What?
Yeah, so go out right here on this main street.
Yeah.
Take a left.
Okay.
Right. Go all the way down. You're going to go under an overpass.
Oh,
and it's
the
gonna be
overpass.
Right on your left.
Oh, okay, cool. Do you know if there's like an easy way to like get on a sidewalk?
This path.
Yeah, actually, you can
Yeah?
go down this path, up and around, where it bends out, and it will take you straight up to the overpass.
Really?
Yeah.
So this way?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you.
Just
All right, sick.
And then you just take a left, and there's where the overpass is.
Awesome. Thank you
You
guys.
can bypass all that crap.
Hell yeah. That's
Yeah,
the best. Thank you.
Yeah.
See ya. Damn, they're like the most helpful people. The only ones who knew where Kohl's was.
So you could go on Canyon.
Hell yeah. Let's go. It's like a pretty little path too. Look at this. Oh, and then we get to right by the train. Hell yeah. Awesome, dude. Cold weather doesn't have to suck. As long as you have the appropriate gear, it doesn't have to suck that much. Oh man, this is so dangerous, dude. We have to make a right and then an immediate left to get a U-turn. And the crosswalk is closed over there. It's so dangerous. Let's do it. Tight little U-turn. That guy said it would be on the left, so we're probably gonna have to cross over into traffic a bit. Oh man, and there's hella construction too. Can it be? Can it be? Can it be? Look, it's right there. Can't believe we found it. Hi, I'm here to make a return. No, for Amazon.
Amazon's in the back, so you're just gonna walk around that back wall, you'll see it back there.
Thank you. Hi there. This is my code. You too. This can't be ice. It's gotta be salt. What are you? No, I think it's salt. I don't think it's ice. It's not melting. I've never lived in a place that does that. Isn't this stuff like really bad for cars? If my calculations are correct, we've done all of the errands. As far as bike cold weather goes, don't get discouraged if the weather outside is less than perfect. Because especially if you're an American, you've been conditioned to think that bikes are like a recreational tool, you know, for funsies, and not like a viable means of transportation. Don't let that stop you from getting out there in the right gear and getting the things done that you need to do. Like if you have errands, don't look outside and be like, well, it's raining, I can't ride my bike. If I can do it, you can do it. What a good Subaru. Nobody in a Subaru has ever been like really mean to me. Almost every single time that somebody gets like really mad, they get like road rage. Almost every single time, it's a Tesla. Or an old-timey pickup truck. Big shout out to those two random guys. Incredible stuff. Very, very good. Huge thank you to everyone who's supported me on Patreon. If you would like to support me on Patreon, it's very simple. Just click on the link. And if you want any of the gear that I'm wearing that makes winter riding a little more comfortable, hit the link in the description below. I'll do a more in-depth gear review in another video. I'll also do another video about the specifics of what makes my bike just a blast to ride. But until that time, I'll see you, everybody.